Welcome to 3216 Constellation Drive in Melbourne, Florida. Nice front porch, foyer, and when you walk in, there are 2 bedrooms on the right side. They're good size. Full bathroom in the middle. And one of the bedrooms has also nice built-in cabinets. Open floor plan. The kitchen has a really nice breakfast bar, dining area, 42-inch cabinets, nice pantry, but this is actually an office area which was also built in, custom built in. Master suite, double sinks, nice size shower, and also built-in cabinets in the closet. Now we're gonna go outside where you will see nice green porch. This is a sports pool, that means you can play volleyball. It's deep in the middle. Nice fenced yard. Give us a call if you have any questions.